In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your GeForce Now membership. If you're ready to move to a higher GeForce Now plan for better performance or more premium features, the process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. To begin, sign in to your GeForce Now account. Make sure you're using the correct account before continuing, especially if you have more than one login. Starting from the right account is important because your membership, billing details, and upgrade options are all tied to that profile. Once you're signed in, open the membership page. This is where you can view your current plan and see the available subscription options. Take a moment to confirm what membership you currently have so you can clearly compare it with the upgraded plans. From there, select Upgrade. This will take you to the available higher tier membership options. Depending on what is offered in your region, you'll typically see plans such as Performance or Ultimate. Choose the higher plan that best fits the experience you want. If you're looking for stronger performance and more advanced features, this is the point where you decide which level is right for you. After selecting your preferred plan, choose a billing option. In some cases, you may be able to select either a monthly subscription or an annual subscription. If both are available, pick the option that works best for your budget and how long you expect to use the service. Annual plans can sometimes offer better overall value, while monthly billing gives you more flexibility. Next, enter or confirm your payment method. If you already have payment information saved to your account, review it carefully to make sure everything is still accurate. If not, add your payment details and double-check them before moving on. This helps avoid delays or failed transactions during checkout. Once that's done, review all the details on the purchase screen. Make sure the upgraded plan, billing cycle, and payment method are correct. When everything looks good, click Confirm Purchase to complete the upgrade. Now wait briefly while the upgrade processes. In most cases, your new membership takes effect immediately, so you should be able to start using the upgraded benefits right away. One important thing to keep in mind is that if you already have a paid membership, any unused balance is typically prorated and applied toward your upgraded plan. That means you usually won't lose the remaining value of your current subscription when moving to a higher tier. And that's it. That's how to upgrade your GeForce Now membership quickly and smoothly.